Hello and welcome to Free World Investing. Today we're going to be going over the advanced decline ratio. The advanced decline ratio is much like the advanced decline line. It's really all about comparing advances and declinings in stocks, and it is specifically made for indexes, although sometimes they're used for other areas as well. So the whole thing with the advanced decline ratio is taking the advancing stocks in an index and then dividing them by the declining stocks to create a ratio. So when it's going up, that means that more people are grabbing the stocks. It's a it's a bullish movement when the advance decline ratio goes up, and when it's declining, it's a bearish movement. And sometimes the cool thing about that is, like, say, like right here, we can see I I like the bear movements for the advanced decline ratio the best, and sometimes the bull movements work as well, but sometimes you'll see, like right here, we have this decline, and boom, right there, it showed the very beginning of the trend before it even happened. And this happens a decent amount, not all the time, but it does happen. A lot of times, it kind of just goes with the flow. But like say right here, we had an advance, and then we had another decline, and it was nice and steady, but we very quickly would have known to get out of this trade if we were on the up movement once it got to right here. And even if we've been waiting a couple hours because we are looking at hourly charts, we could have got a lot of money right here just from this movement, just from waiting for to go back on the uptick. And sometimes that strategy works and sometimes it doesn't, because there is always going to be divergences in any indicator that you use. But on occasion, like I said, this one does prove to be pretty good at sometimes catching a trend before it happens, because it notices the advances and declines before market sentiment has taken control of the market. So a lot of times it'll be a leading indicator and show you what is coming, because the market hasn't quite reacted to the fact that the index has changed and that it's overall a lot of stocks are lower. But of course, like I said, there are divergences sometimes. And a lot of times it just moves with the market. Like you can see right here, like it just moved with the market, and then as soon as the market was done, it just went right down. And sometimes it still doesn't always work. Like right here, we can see a little bit of uptick, but not really any good trades from it. So it's kind of a hit or a miss, but it's a good thing to look at if you are going to plan to continue with a trend, or if you're trying to get onto a trend early. And like I said, it's most helpful with indexes, because that's really what it was designed to do, is work with an index. But that's how you trade with the advanced decline ratio. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a like, and please subscribe to the channel and check out our other videos. You all have a great day.